In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best automotive touch-up paint. So let's get started. Number 7. Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover. When the scratch is shallow and small, a scratch and swirl remover will do the trick to restore your paint job to its original quality. That's why we've included Carfidant's excellent product as our honorable mention. It's absolutely universal, since there is no color that needs to be matched, and super easy to use, delivering great results in a short amount of time. An included buffer pad makes applying the specially formulated product a simple task, erasing the scratch in the process. Another great benefit of this product is that it can restore the gloss and shine of your overall paintwork. Application to non-damaged areas will result in the removal of water spots, oxidation, dirt, and other contaminants, making your car shine like new. Number 6. ERA Paint's Automotive Touch. This paint comes in a small jar with 0.25 ounces of paint. It comes with 2 applicators, a blue shop towel, and a paint test match card. Each order is custom mixed to ensure a perfect formulation. This touch-up kit is designed to hide minor scratches, dings, and rock chips. This paint listing is for a 2012-16 Tesla Model S in PBSB Eclipse Black, but there are many options available for a variety of vehicles. The customer service from ERA is outstanding. The company goes out of its way to help consumers find their proper paint codes. It also gives detailed directions and tips to help you achieve the best results possible. Its paint is high quality, durable, and a near-perfect match to your vehicle. Number 5. Motorcraft Touch-Up Paint. When you buy Motorcraft's paint pen, you get several applicators in one compact pen. There's a pen, brush, and foam applicator. The pen contains OEM-matched paint for touch-up tasks. There's also a clear coat reservoir to apply over the paint. This particular pen comes loaded with magnetic gray J7, which matches the 2015 to 2017 Ford Mustang. You need to match your car's paint code to the pen you buy for a perfect match. Having everything you need in one convenient pen means you don't have to buy and store multiple tools and paint bottles. Grab the pen, and you're good to go. The tip of the lid has an abrasive tip to remove old paint flakes and clean up your car's surface before you paint. The addition of a clear coat with the color-coded paint ensures you have a touch-up job that is protected and produces a sheen. Number 4. Quix 00070. Germany, being one of the most prominent providers of automobile solutions, has not disappointed with their scratch-removing tech as well. Quix, a well-known German brand, has one of the most worthwhile scratch solutions ever. In addition, the Quix 00070 US Paint Scratch Remover Kit is also inexpensive and easy to use. To get rid of scratches and gouges, you only need this one product. It not only paints over the scratch to return your car to its original glory, but it also fixes the gaps from inside. This means it permanently removes the scratch. Furthermore, there is no need for additional help to get this done. You can do it yourself easily. The procedure is quick and simple. Also, it only requires 2 steps, so it's also efficient. Number 3. VHT SP201. Nothing speaks durability like a VHT product. Recognized for their lasting and effective products, VHT is a brand known for its weather-resistant products. The VHT SP201 Wrinkle Plus Black Coating can is the same. No matter how hot your car gets, the paint on it won't sweat. Their products don't only feature high weather tolerance, but they are also resistant to chemicals, which makes this product one of the strongest spray paints on our list. When you use the Wrinkle Plus, you get a sort of wrinkly outlook which gives your car a custom look. However, if you would prefer sticking to the original look, a little use of primer color and clear coat will certainly give you your desired outcome. But its main attribute is definitely its superior heat resistance. It can easily withstand up to 350 degrees when properly applied. Number 2. Atlan Touch-Up Paint Brushes. Those of you more accustomed to touch-up paints and its manifold methods will surely agree that to eradicate deep scrapes you need to work a little harder. TouchUp paints work miracles on scratches, but if the scratch is metal, the paint may be inadequate in covering it up completely. Then you need to follow the general procedure of cleaning the damaged part with rubbing alcohol. After that, use putty to fill in the gaps and finally put on the color with a precision brush. This is where the Atlan disposable micro-applicators brushes really comes in handy. When using the colors that don't come in aerosols or pens, these brushes seem pretty useful. Not to mention, you get a much more precise result using this than the others. The tips are as small as 1.5 millimeters and can be easily twisted to give you access to tight corners. Number 1. Car Scratch Repair Pen. The Car Scratch Repair Pen Car Remover Scratch Repair Paint Pen is one of the best modern-day products. It works with most factory colors. If the original coating hasn't been tampered with, then it certainly will match the color of the car accurately. For small scratches that require no filling in, this remover is perfect. It erases scratches completely from its core. As this is small, it is easy to keep and store. It is also easy to maneuver. The brush that comes with this is flexible and can reach difficult spots with ease. In addition, this item is also water resistant once it gets properly dried.